Pam.
Pam. Oh, she's coming.
Oh, there she is. There she is.
Ah!
Oh no! Oh no! Oh,
You got me. Oh, have to take me away.
You two are developing a relationship.
Oh! Christine, you do know that the captain was saved?
Yeah, well, yes, he was freed.
Oh, that's
Or was he
right.
freed or saved?
He was free. He was saved.
Saved
Wow.
and freed.
That's good.
Fireman
Okay.
spray. Uh-oh, Ray's
You're a
going
fireman
for you.
to spray people. Only if they're on fire, right? Oh, okay.
I'm cool. Cool as a cucumber.
Yeah.
on fire.
No,
He's on fire. Is Daddy on fire? Ah! 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 Spray! 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 In my head!
On the butt.
Oh! Oh! Thank you, Fireman Devlin. Grandma's on fire! Grandma's on fire! She's very calm about it.
You're on fire, Pam. You're on fire. You're on fire. I'm on fire? Yeah. Uh-oh.
Apparently Pam's butt's on fire. Which I think makes her a hot ass.
Thank you. I had hot pants on.
Hot pants!
Mom's on fire. Mom's on fire.
I'm not on fire.
Behind your dad, because that's the same place, I think.
You're
on fire.
Oh, not me! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Where is it? 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 Where is it?
Are you spraying? Are you spraying? Oh, he's good. Oh, he's out. He's out. Oh, boy.
Someone to fight us?
Oh, now he's not on fire anymore. I
Is this
guess
the fire truck? I thought the fire truck was upstairs.
Good
No,
move.
this is
Good
the
job.
downstairs one.
Oh, this is the downstairs fire truck. Okay. I'm on the fire truck.
You see why it makes me laugh on Saturday.
Turn on the engine. Are you driving? Are you driving? You better steer.
You better steer, you're going fast.
I have to steer?
Which one are you?
You're in the back.
I'm steering from the back.
Yes,
Are you
front and back.
steering in the front?
Front and
Oh,
back.
your helmet's on. You're good. Are you steering?
That might be a little hard, but he can bear
Well, then you better get out of the way.
Are you okay, buddy?
Get out of the way.
His ears.
Are you at the fire yet?
Wow.
It's not so loud anymore.
Hey,
Dad.
your mom's choking on the smoke. Can you spray her?